Well, I'm not happy. Hygiene Plus is crap. There's not much difference. Not much difference in it at all. It's the first distribution spin now. Don't forget to subscribe.